Hi everybody. In case you missed our conference today, I'm going to do a few examples of how to find the volume of some compound shapes. So compound prisms in this case are more than one shape put together. As we were reviewing the other day, you can get volume of a rectangular prism by multiplying length times width times height. So it really boils down to doing that, but we have to separate these bigger shapes into smaller shapes and then add the volume of both shapes together. So first of all, I've tried to color code this. So if this is the total height, that's the tallest part, that means the other red pieces are going to have to add up to 9. So if I know that this piece down here is 3, that means this piece up here is going to have to be 6 because 3 plus 6 equals 9. The two smaller pieces added up have to equal the third. So we don't want to use dividing. We will always want to think kind of with addition or sometimes subtraction to get the missing piece. So this height here would be 6 inches. Now for the width would be 7 on the biggest part, but it's only 4 on this smaller part. So if I was going to split up the bottom, for example, if I was going to make a partition here, if I needed to know how long this piece was, I could do 7 minus 4 and figure out that this part is 3 inches wide because, again, the 3 plus a 4 has to add up to 7, which is 7 is the total width all the way across the bottom. Okay? Then you can see the marks in black. If my depth of the shape is 2 inches, that means it's going to be that deep on every spot where we see those little black marks. So depending on how we split up our shape, we will have to use that 2 over there too. So for the taller piece, when I do the volume of this part, I'm going to multiply 3 by 9 by 2. So that's going to give me 54. And then I'm going to also calculate the volume of the other piece. And using the dimensions from the other part, I'm going to have a width of 4 and a depth of 2 and a height of 3. So I'm going to do 4 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. So altogether that gives me 24. So my total volume altogether is going to equal to 78. And I want to be sure to label my units so I can put cubic inches or I could say inches cubed. Two ways of saying that. So I'm just going to write out cubic inches. Thank you for watching. I hope you do well with solving your math problems. Have a good day.